So this is us preparing for
Ipapapencil book ko naman.
birthday party at Jollibee.
Daming tao.
Look at what she's doing. She's sniffing at junk. She has motion sickness.
Kasya ba ako dyan?
Preparing this her husband. So here we are. He's shy. So cute, look. Yeah. We're going back home after our sleepover to the Raras residence.
Ano na, mainit.
Pinatay mo na?
Oo, para sa lamadan.
So I came here after going back home because I have online class. I can do that at home, right? But at home, I don't have Wi-Fi. And I'm so hungry. It's already lunchtime. My mom forgot to cook rice. So I came here first to have an online class, but my professor is not teaching. He's not even teaching. We are just having sound trip. Yeah. And I asked my mom to call me when the rice is ready so I can go home and eat. I'm so hungry. I eat anything I can find with Micah's belongings. Micah is outside picking up, harvesting mangoes from a tree. I think you can see it. Oh no, there. Did you see her? She's there. Oh yeah. Bye. I borrowed this. It's so cute. It looks like an earring. I'm afraid it might fall. Look, it's so cute. Hope they will not fall when you're walking though. I'm working on some code right now for our final project, and it's already not here, but I'm coding since I didn't have to code earlier since we don't have Wi-Fi, and I just came here at night. Bye. Look at me, I'm so haggard. I'm washing and doing my laundry for 4 hours straight. Sweep my room, organize it, clean my stuff outside too since I did my laundry. It's so fulfilling to finish my laundry, but it's tiring, but I'm happy. So this is my morning. Looks like. I just did my morning routine, skincare routine. So it's lunchtime and it's 12:36 and this is my first meal for today. Steak pork. So yummy. It's pork. It's marinated pork. It's so yummy. Since I noticed that Mimi is always going out here because it's hot and going to our bathroom, I put this blue thing here. It's cool, so that I'm thinking to provide some help to her and the kittens. Yeah.
Nakakaya ito na Anthony na to. School purposes lang.
What's that? Sibuyas.
Yung chicken sandwich na Jollibee. Ngunit kumain ka muna bago ka mag-soft drinks ha?
Ay, wala na. Tumulo ako, no?
Very good ka talaga, Monay.
Wala na. Wala na. Alam mo yung ano?
Perfect naman yan. Wala ka nga po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang dilim naman ng ano na.
Kasi nung nag-ano kayo, oo, 25 na.
Here as planning for
Babalik ka talaga, Anthony. Huwag ka nang maganyan.
birthday. Oh, go na. This is a local bread store in Angeles. So we're going back home after walking at night and after taking pictures outside. Bye! Yung pagsasalita mo, alatahan lasing. May nakakapaglasing ka eh.
Paano kung mayatang paglasing?
It's been a while since I bought this gua sha. I only used it once before and I tried it again tonight. Yeah. And today I'm fixing the problem with my Android Studio. That's what I'm only doing for the whole day and it stressed me out. But I'm still working on it right now. I deleted it and downloading it again. Yeah. I also deleted the GitHub desktop, but I'll download them again. I don't know what happened, but my team members their Android Studio are working fine and they can play our application well, but mine is different. There's some crash that they don't have, so I'm trying to figure that out. It came out after I merged my version with the repository in our GitHub link. I don't know, it will result in error, so yeah. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Is this correct? Hello, so it's midnight and I just want to say that I'm so happy that I am productive for today. I am focused for the whole day. With our final project, I was able to finish a lot of tasks related to that project, and I was able to contemplate things and bond with my family and enjoy the relaxing time I have. And it's been a while since I've got this day where I don't have any plans, just study, and I was able to focus. So I'm so happy. Bye. I'm off to take a bath now. I already cleaned my devices, so I'm holding them like this. Bye. This is my day 2 of using gua sha. I don't know if I'm using it correctly.